Turmeric, the famous Ayurvedic spice. The only downside with turmeric is, of course, that it stains just about everything. But other than that, it is an amazing therapeutic spice that is in most of our cupboards. Now, turmeric's amazing primarily because of how effective it is as an anti-inflammatory. So it dampens inflammation in the body, and it therefore helps with various ailments that people suffer with. I often use turmeric for complaints like joint pains, because so many joint pains are related to inflammation, chemically driven pain. And what turmeric is very good at is dampening that pain down. So if you're suffering with back pain or joint pains, turmeric might be something very easy for you to use. Turmeric can also be useful for any other kinds of inflammation in the body, whether it be something like eczema in the skin or something else anywhere in the body. If inflammation is driving it, it can really help. It's also very good for the liver because it helps to balance out the liver's detoxification processes. So it helps to make sure that when the liver's breaking down those toxins, it kind of stops the liver from being too overloaded. Now, the thing with turmeric is that it's very easy to incorporate into foods. It's a very warming spice, and we can sprinkle it into dishes that we make very, very easily. Now, in a normal dish, we're probably not going to get massive amounts of turmeric in there to reach what we would call a therapeutic dose. And what I mean by that is a dose where you're going to get relief from symptoms. So if you've got really bad joint pains and you're sprinkling a little bit of turmeric onto your evening dishes, it's probably not going to have a big impact. So you may need to think about increasing that further, maybe having turmeric shots, maybe with some ginger in there, or perhaps even considering as a last resort supplementing turmeric itself. Now, turmeric is best absorbed when there are some fats in that meal, so if you're using turmeric in a curry, make sure there's plenty of healthy fats in there too. My go-to is coconut oil. The other thing that turmeric needs to be absorbed well is some black pepper. So make sure on your food that you're crunching some nice fresh black pepper to ensure that we're really extracting all of those amazing properties out of turmeric. Thanks for watching this video. I'd like to offer you a free online class. To access this, please click the link below in the description section.